In this episode of VTech and Turbos.
In this episode of VTech and Turbos.
In this episode of VTech and Turbos. In this episode of VTech and Turbos, we got some new wheels for the Integra.
I picked them up off Facebook Marketplace for $250. Let's give them a clean up and see how they look. Alright, so the current style at the moment is all the Volt TE37s and all the rotors and Enkis. Unfortunately, I don't have the funds for that, so on Facebook Marketplace I saw these pop up. They're only $250. They're an 18-inch, which is a little bit bigger than what I hoped for, but they were really cheap. They already came with tyres, which my car now needs some tyres, so it was a double buy, killing two birds with one stone, as they say. So I'm going to go put them on, give them a clean up and see how they look.
So surprisingly, the massive 18s do fit and they don't scrub unless there are people in the back, and only scrubs on the very top of the rear fenders.
So what's incredible about these wheels, there is not a single bit of gutter rash, which is incredible for a price of only $250. But unfortunately, underneath this lacquer, the lacquer's starting to go off and creating white swirls, which looks like gutter rash, but it's not. So what we're going to do is get paint thinners and then strip all this lacquer off and get polish it back. So then it's all shiny again, so out there and in here, and it will look awesome, back to normal. And so I think that's an awesome deal for only $250 to get these amazing wheels. And I also think they're super period correct, which suits the car a lot. Here are some before and afters.
Thank you for watching this episode of VTech and Turbos.
Stop.
Wait, so...
Lacquer, as you can see, there's a bit of... What do you call it?
Stop. Wait, how much else can you see? Alright, cool.
Just go. Go.
Thank you for watching.